What is up, YouTube.com? My name is Java Garrett. This is my YouTube tips. I'm going to talk about Simple Beats Fancy. It's going to be a quick video, quick tip. So essentially, the story is I used to spend a lot of hours polishing my products to suck, my YouTube videos. And yeah, I had some sort of limited success. Some of video ideas I was able to get a little bit of traction doing. Like I have a couple videos with about 8,000 views, maybe one close to 10,000 views now. But at the end of the day, like the labor was not worth the return. It got a lot of views and stuff like that, a little bit of exposure, but and I guess I really can't know what the implications of it were, but I did not find a lot of value in them. I've been having a lot more success just making content, not really making it fancy, just getting it done. Getting it done. What is it? Perfection. It gets in the way of good enough. Um, so like getting it on the internet is like the highest form of quality you can achieve. That's how I try to think about it. Like you can have the freshest. You can make the Mona Lisa every single day, but if you never post it, then it's never getting seen. It's never progressing your channel because the algorithm, the way the algorithm kind of works, the way the YouTube space kind of works, the way that like kind of you want to be in people's faces a lot. I don't know. Like that's just kind of where I'm coming from. I'm not 100% sure, but I am from a small perspective. Like you can make a really good video. Uh, but I think it's better just to get in front of people's faces and then like be very consistent. If you can spend 10 hours a day on a video, I don't know, it's a lot of build up to not know if it's going to really blow up. So that like, I don't know. It's more important to get it done and get it on the internet. So I just think it's better for most people just to make the content and put it out there than to obsess over every detail. I don't think the quality over quantity folks are right. I think that quantity is going to beat out quality, especially on YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, Space, stuff like that with people's attention spans and things like that. But I'm not saying not to make a good video. If you're passionate about it, just do it. But if you're trying to like grow into this is from my experience. I've been having trouble kind of growing into this. I've been kind of you get discouraged a lot if you're not getting the results you want. So then just like forcing yourself to just stick to a quota seems to be it's been helping me a lot. So hopefully this helps. Have a great day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much.